Get noticed in this 2008 Holden Commodore. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of that respond smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.